Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are doing an unboxing. Yay! We have had so many Fabfitfun spoilers and ironically I have a Fabfitfun edit sale, so let's get in here and see what I've got. Now, Fabfitfun, in addition to their regular box and the edit sale that they've always done, they have added another edit sale each season. And this season it is Mind, Body, and Soul. The one that occurs after the summer sale will be a surprise at that point. So they say they're going to surprise us with a sale theme every season. So we'll have the regular boxes, the edit sale, and then a themed sale. And like I said, this one was Mind, Body, and Soul, and that's what came between spring and summer. And I've had it for a little while, but we've been doing so many spoilers that I haven't gotten in here to unbox it. So let's do that. This is a big box. I will do like I always do. I will show you the products, and below I will try and tell you what the sale price was and what the original price would have been. In case you don't know, or you're still fairly new to the channel, Fabfitfun is a seasonal lifestyle box. They come out spring, summer, fall, and winter. If you pay seasonally, it is $49.95. If you pay annually, a whole year in advance, it takes it down to $44.95. If when you build your box, within each customization, you put more products in, those are called additional selections. During the sale, they also have add-ons, which they're doing right now if you're a select member. And that's just an additional sale that when you purchase those products, it ships with your seasonal box. And then between seasonal boxes, they have two now edit sales, just the original edit sale, which is usually about a month after boxes ship out. And then another month after that, they've added another secret theme sale. And like I said, this one was Mind, Body, and Soul. And participating in all of those sales is completely optional. You can totally just have the Fabfitfun box that comes seasonally and enjoy it and move on with your life. Most people can. I can't. I see so many things in the edit sale that I just have to participate. Okay, when I open it up, this is what the box looks like. It's interesting that it's a pretty box, but there is nowhere on the box, on the inside or the outside, any Fabfitfun branding. So I wonder if back in the day when they originally came out, maybe they didn't brand their boxes because they said they were going to use up some of their old boxes to be better for the environment. So I wonder if this is, if you know that, let me know below. Did the old boxes not have branding on them? Ever since I've been involved, they've had brand. Okay, now that I've gotten the paper out of it, this is what we see on the inside. They have said that this season that's getting ready to come out, the summer season, the size of your box will depend on the customizations and how many things you add to it. They're going to try and do smaller boxes for smaller customizations. So I do love that they are thinking of that. I'm going to reach in, and the very first thing that I have is from Wander. Can you believe it? I put together my own box through an edit sale, and even I added a Wander product. It's like Wander is in every single box ever. This is the Glow Ahead Facial Oil. And that is what that looks like. Let's take it out of here. Of course, I don't have paperwork with this because it's not technically a box, it's a haul, but I will read to you what the products say. And this is what that looks like. It's so pretty and pink. I love that. And it says on the back of it, a luxurious multitasking oil that instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin. A blend of oils, including raspberry, meadow foam, evening primrose, and geranium oil, all work to soothe and replenish the skin's natural moisture barrier. Skin is left looking more healthy, radiant, and supple. So I like the way that sounded in the edit sale. And again, I'll put the prices down here. All right, let's see what this looks like. That is what the applicator looks like. We've seen that before. It looks like an oil. Yep. So it's just, you can see it running down my hand, just an oil. Let's see what it smells like and how well it really does absorb. I like facial oils, but I really need them to absorb quickly because I find like if they don't, especially if you use them in the morning, your makeup will shift. Oh, it smells really nice, very clean. Is it weird that something about that takes me back to like my second grade classroom? What could that be? That is so weird. Your olfactory sense is just so powerful, isn't it? It feels good, but you can see the back of my hand is still shiny. I hope you can see that. We'll see how quickly it absorbs. It hasn't absorbed yet though. Okay, next I have an IGK. I love IGK hair products. They do a lot of volumizing and then calming and then hair protecting. I just love so many of their products. And this one was the Amla Oil High Shine Top Coat. And the name of the product is Expensive. They also have the cutest names on their products. And this says that it is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, UV protection, petrolatum and mineral free, paraben and sulfate free, which is another thing I like about IGK products. They almost all say those exact words. It's made with amla oil and seaweed extract. It's an in-shower gloss treatment to protect and enhance color and shine. If you have dull color-treated frizz or dryness and you want sleek, soft, high-shine hair and enhanced color dimension, you use 1 to 2 times a week in place of your conditioner. You apply mid-length to ends in the shower and wait 3 minutes. Well, let's see what this looks like. It is not sealed. Oh, I don't want to put it on that because we want to see how the oil absorbs. So it just looks exactly like a conditioner. I love that. I didn't realize it was a conditioner. I thought it was something I was going to put on afterwards. So I kind of like that. It's just something I add in the shower. That smells so good. Oh, I like that. I do like that. Some of the IGK products are not my favorite scents, but they work so well, I forgive them and move on with my life. I have an IGK spray mousse that it falls in little, like it's almost like snow falling on you. And it's not my favorite scent, but whew, it gives you volume. Yeah, that smells good. And of course, we can't see if it gave my hand high shine. Oh, but this has completely absorbed now. And there is still some glow to it, even though it's absorbed and you can hear the dryness. So I love it when something works like that. Okay, next I have a big box called Crocus Pocus. I have to be honest right now, I do not remember what this, oh, okay, now I remember. I do not remember what this is. It is a mirror. I have a mirror for here, but the way that it sits, it leans back. So when I want to do get readies with me or things like that, it leans, so I feel like I have to lean into it. So I got this new cute pink mirror. I'm gonna take a second and build it. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, guys. I'm gonna show you from the back, but this is a mirror part, and it also came with a little suction mirror that you can like put up in the corner if you want. I haven't done it yet. And it's a magnifying mirror. I'm gonna show you real close so you can see those. See how cute that is? I love that. That is so cute. So now it will just, oh, okay, well there's one flaw. If it doesn't tilt, I have to get down to it. Okay, well, darn it. Let me see, if I put it back here, is that a problem? Yeah, I still have to get down to it. We'll keep searching because that'll be adorable downstairs because it also lights up, and I didn't even realize that when I bought it. It lights up with USB. So that is so cute. So if I could make it work up here, I'm not giving up. We will persevere. Can I slant it? Hold on. Can I slant it at all? Guys, sometimes it's the simplest things. Okay, it works again. I am so excited. That's awesome. Okay, guys, problem solved. Just a little bit of slant. Oh, and look at that. Oh, you know, magnifying mirrors are sometimes great and sometimes they are not your friends. Okay, moving on. Next, I have the Stone Street Soap House Hey Ho Wholesome Body Cream. We made this order a couple of weeks ago, and everything about me has just been so dry. We are washing so much, our hands and everything, that I just wanted to buy all the lotions. And instead of buying yet another hand cream, because if you've watched any of my videos lately, you'll see I have several boxes of hand creams. I thought, that's okay, I'll get a body cream. Oh, no seal. That is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it smells nice. Smells nice. It smells a little like a Christmas tree. This might wait until the winter again. Let's see if it's supposed to smell like a Christmas tree or if it's just my bad nose. Nope, it is just totally me. Because it says, the indulgent body cream is scented with chamomile, lavender, and celery seed extract. Maybe that's what I smell. And enhanced with English honey, shea butter, and cocoa butter. Its warm, straw-like fragrance was inspired by the scent of a haystack on a hot summer's day. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's haystack, not Christmas tree. It is haystack. But when I think haystack, I don't think hot summer day. I think fall hayride. So that's where I was going, I think. But yep, we will definitely give that a try. Maybe in the fall. Okay, next I have the Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence from Homme Skin. This is a big box. I did not realize how big this box was going to be. Let's get in here and see what it looks like. This is just such a great way to try new products because it's such a reduced value. And with my super sensitive skin, you know, if I use a product, I can give it to my mom or my daughter if one of them wants to try it, but I can't really pass it along much more than that. So I really hate the waste of trying something new, especially if I've paid full price. So, oh, it's a pretty, oh no, it's plastic. It's a pretty bottle though. That's what it looks like. And it says Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence. And it's 10.14 ounces. Number 1, hydration. This says Skin Essence containing an abundant moisture makes facial complexion look moisturized and bright. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid. I love when the products come from Korea and they're not exactly perfect English. There's something about it I find so endearing. Use after washing the face and tidying up skin texture. What do you think that means, guys? Dispense an appropriate amount onto your palm and gently apply to your face in the direction of skin texture. So I don't know what that means for sure. I don't know what direction my skin texture is. I think you're supposed to lift everything up when you get old like me, so I'm just going to assume that. It's sealed, so let's go ahead and unseal it. I just put a little in my hand. I just wanted to see, yeah, it's the texture of, yeah, there's definitely viscosity to it. I thought it was going to be just like water, but it's not. It's got some texture. It's drying down kind of like if you had a gel moisturizer, and you know how that's what it feels like. It has almost no scent. I am really anxious to try that. I'm going to use it after I have washed and tidied up my face. Next, I got this for free. I think if you spent more than, I want to say $65, they put this in. It is huge. It is 6 ounces. And again, it is a big bottle. And I recall when they said they were going to give it to me, I thought, oh, that'll be perfect in a giveaway. It's called Stemulation Nitty Gritty Face and Body Polish. And that's what it looks like up close, the stemulation. But as I recall, there was an ingredient in it. Let's see what it was. It has grapefruit in it. And you know, I can't use grapefruit or licorice. I am allergic to those. So I will put this in a giveaway to pass along. Let's hope it's sealed. Yes, it is sealed. So I will put this into a giveaway. But they say that it is for body, apply to wet or dry skin and gently buff polish, shower and rinse thoroughly. Or for your face, apply to wet skin, gently polish. They say it removes dry, flaky skin and leaves the skin feeling refreshed and renewed. I have to tell you, if it says that you can use it on your face or your body, my personal recommendation, this is a body product. That could be because I have super sensitive skin, but that's just the way I feel about it. And last, I have the Oribe Daily Ritual, yes, Cream Face Cleanser. I wanted to try this, and it looks like one of the Oribe boxes. Let's get in here. I was so excited to try this when I saw it. Here's a helpful hint. If you're looking for Oribe products in any of the edit sales, when you go in, immediately up in the search bar, type Oribe and let it bring up what's Oribe or any product that you like. You know, if you like R&Co or any specific product that you want to see, type in the name. That way you don't have to scroll down all of those. And then maybe when you get there, they're already sold out, because the edit sales and the add-on sales sell out so quickly. They really do, guys. I don't know how much stock they have that they're getting rid of, but having just done this with the summer box, the add-ons sell so quickly. And in the video I just did about the add-ons, I gave you a little tip into how to get things that are already sold out. So I hope that helps you guys. This is so pretty. It's just a white tube, but it's kind of pearlescent, and the lid is, it's so pretty. I love that. And it's just a face cleanser, massage and indulge for at least 1 minute. Let's see. Oh, it's, oh no, I just unscrewed the lid, but that's not what you do. Apparently, that pretty thing just pushes down. By the way, that oil has completely absorbed. I'm going to squeeze just a skosh out because we want to see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like cleanser. It feels really nice and light. It doesn't feel like, you know how some cleansers tend to be thicker and heavier? This feels nice and light. I like it a lot. I'm so excited. I love Oribe products. This is one of the first ones. It may be the first one I've tried on my face, but I love their hair products. That smells so clean and nice. All right, so that is it for the special edit sale that they did between boxes. They had the regular one, and then this was the Mind, Body, and Soul one. Did you get Mind, Body, and Soul out of what I picked? I picked this nice mirror that, yay, it slants, so I can use that up here in my room. That's very exciting. This gorgeous Oribe cleanser, the Wander Face Glow, the IGK Expensive Hair Top Coat, which I cannot wait to see how that works, the Homme Skin Essence, this, is it a pine tree or is it a haystack Stone Street body lotion? And this stimulation, which I got just for placing the order, and I will put in a giveaway for one of you guys. That is it for that edit sale. Fabfitfun. We've had all of the spoilers for the customizations. If you're an annual, I hope you've gone in and done your add-ons and your customizations. If you're a seasonal, you'll go in and do your add-ons on May 14th, and you will do your customizations on May 15th. Both of those start at exactly noon Eastern, and I would be there at exactly noon Eastern. With all of the spoilers, I've tried to help where I can. If you have any questions that I haven't answered, just ask me below. If I know the answer, I am happy to get back to you. Just so you know, I am in no way affiliated with Fabfitfun. I am not an affiliate. I am nothing to them. I just love Fabfitfun, and I so enjoy going out and finding the spoilers and sharing them with you guys that I just do it because it's something that I like to do. But it has come up a couple times, and I just wanted to let you guys know I'm not an affiliate with Fabfitfun. Assuming that we do, and as soon as we find out the final 2 to 3 products that are going to be the Fabfitfun picks that go into our boxes, I will come on and let you guys know. I have not been able to find that information out for sure. There has been talk that there's a hair cream and a little not beauty blender brand beauty sponge type situation, but nobody knows for sure, and I don't want to tell you guys that's what it's going to be and be completely wrong. I was already devastated about the vases when they came out and changed that vase, because it was even on some of their stuff, and they just completely changed that vase, and I was so disappointed. Anyway, thanks for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over, say hi, and hang out. If you have any interest in Fabfitfun, I have my link below. If you click on that, you will get $10 off your first box if you sign up as a seasonal, and if you sign up now, your first box will be the summer box. If you like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you guys really soon. Take care out there, guys. Bye-bye.